based on my calculation, I got 125.6. 125.6. So as we have drawn this line, so this vertical line, and we have drawn this horizontal line and this horizontal line. So what we are going to do now is to divide. So we are going to, what I'm going to do is this. I don't have to divide into 12 equal parts. I'll just take the measurement of 126. So it is 125.6. So I will take it as 126. So millimeters. So this is 126 millimeters here. So then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line here. And also this point will be point X, so which is 0. And this also X, which is also 0. Alright, so we have this. So I need to locate the midpoint of this. If I divide 126 by 2, that will give me 61. So 61 millimeters. So that's 61. So 61 millimeters. So this is 61 millimeters. Okay, so that's going to be the center. So it's going to be for this line. For this line that we have here. So that's what we have here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line through this. Now, what we want to do is to show the shape of this part here in the middle. To be in the middle. By the time we cut it here and we spread it. So this part will be in the center here. So how do we do that? So what I'm going to do first is that from this point here, I'm going to draw horizontal line from this point. So you draw horizontal line from this point, like this. So you come to this point 2 or point 1, draw horizontal line. Okay. Then at point 2, we draw horizontal line. So at point 3, we draw horizontal line. Okay. Then coming up here, point 2 again, we draw horizontal line. So point 1, we draw horizontal line, and point 0, we draw horizontal line like this. Alright, so now the next thing that we are going to do is that to locate the point that is going to give us the shape of this part. So so let's see how that goes. So what I'm going to do is this. So I will take my compass. Taking my compass, so I'm going to put the midpoint here and extend it to this point. So to this point, we have already drawn this line. That is this line that we have in the middle. So I'll just take the distance from this center to this point. So that means I want to locate this center line. So I'll just put it here to locate the center. So I have this point, then I have this point. So this point that we have here is for this center here. So it's for this center. So okay, so that's what we have there. So next thing is that from this center now, I will now be taking distance from here to this point. Okay, and also from here to this point here. From here to this point. So I will take it one by one. So I take it like this. Okay. So I put at this point here. So this point is meant for this center. So that's what we did. So make an arc here. Okay. Then I will put it at this point here. So make an arc. So what we have here, this line is for 3, is for center 3. So this line is for center, is for 3. So this is point 3 here. So here I will write 3 at this point. I'll also, I will call this 0. Okay, I will also call this 0. So this is 3. Okay, and this is also 3. So the next is from this same point to this point. Okay, to this point. So this one is for 2. So this is for 2. So I put at this point here, and I make an arc here, and I will come here from this point here. So I will make an arc. So this is for 2, and this is for 2. So the last one is 1, so I will extend it to this point, which is for 1. Okay, so putting it at this point 0 here, so I make an arc here. I'm putting it at this point, so I make an arc here. Alright, so this is 1, 1. Alright, so I'm going to draw vertical lines on each of a vertical line on each of these points. So from this point here, I will draw a vertical line, and then from this point I will draw a vertical line. So from this point I will draw a vertical line. Also coming here, I will draw a vertical line here. Here I draw a vertical line, and here I draw a vertical line. Alright, so we have all this. So we have this now. So the next thing that we are going to do is to look for the point of intersection of the point of intersection of the point. Okay, so if you look at this is what, this is 0. So 0, so the middle one, so this is the point. We have it here. Okay, then next is we also have 0 up here. So along this line we have 0 up here. And the next is we have what, we have 1. So along this, so this is where we have 1. Here we have 1 here. Okay, then we have what, we have 2 at this point, and this is also 2. So here is 3, and here is 3. So we also have it here. This is 2, and this is 2, and then this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 1. Alright, so we join them together. So we join them together. Alright, so that's what we have here. So that's what will be the shape of the penetrating part. So we make this line a thick line, then make this line, so a thick line, make this line a thick line, and also so make this line a thick line. Alright, so we have completed. This is the surface development, as simple as I've done it here. Thank you, and God bless you.